This is a tie. This is not a tie. This is a tie because the notes are the same. So therefore, this is a tie that says I'm tying these notes together, adding the value, tying them together. So in essence, this equals this note. Because I've tied these values together to equal that. This is not a tie. This is a slur. This is an articulation mark, meaning instead of going da, 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 you're gonna go da, 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 da. Smoother attack. How do you articulate the note? We're not dealing with that this semester. I just want you to know the difference. This is a slur, different notes. This is a tie, same note, it'll add the values together. That's all a tie does, is it just adds the values. So your assignment, which will be on your quiz and on your midterm, is this. Here's a rhythm. And here is the measure broken down into 8 notes. And all I want you to do is to make this rhythm equal that rhythm using ties. So what we do is we say, oh, this is a quarter note. How many eighth notes are in a quarter note? 2. So I tie those 2 together. Right? This is a quarter note. 2. Right? 3. This is a dotted quarter note. How many eighth notes equal that? 3. Remember, I don't do the slur. I have to tie each note. Okay? Each note gets tied together. If we were to do this, that's a slur. That means da, 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 da. Not da. That means don't attack it hard. So you have to tie each note together. If you don't tie the notes together like that, I have to mark it wrong because it's wrong.
You got the same tempo, or does
The tempo doesn't enter into this. It's just, we're just adding the values of the notes. So a tie adds the value of the notes together. Yes,
So
sir.
you on the piano, so it would sound like.
Sure. The top line is that's what I just wrote, that top line. Now, the bottom line where the ties are, it's the same rhythmic value. Because I tied the notes together. So that I added their values together. Okay? Why would we want to do that when we could, just write the value of the note? Well, we have a problem. What if I want to do this across the bar line? See? So now I would sing this as 3, 4. Da, 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 da. You see that? So now I got to add notes across the bar line. Add their values together. In case I have a good long note at the end of this measure for some reason. That's what your ties will do for you. Okay, so ties add the values of the note together. Okay?